Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at the Quinta Inner Suites in Ocala, Florida. We have an impulse ride. And this is elevator 2. The one up front is out of service. So therefore we have to film this one. Here it is. Ooh, nice. Six floors. Oh, I'm going down. Yeah, we got room. What floor? Sounds wonderful. Here you go. What kind of phone do we have in here? 98 compliance. Impulse buttons. It's a nice elevator. Gotta love the gold handrails. But yeah, it's not a bad elevator. It's just they want to put it out of service, which will show you that on the way out. And here is the one that is out of service. There it is. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.